For this project, the only tools you will need will be a 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, a socket extension tool is optional, and a socket wrench. Start by removing the 4 13mm bolts that mount the compressor to the engine. If this is the first time these have been removed in a while, it may take some effort to get them loose. I found that using the socket extension tool made it easier to remove the back left bolt. At the bottom of each bolt is a square nut that is out of sight and will fall into the engine bay if not secured when the bolts are removed. So be sure to secure them with one hand as you remove the bolts with the other. Next, loosen the 13mm tension bolt on the lower right side of the compressor. Now, rotate the compressor towards the engine fan to relieve the tension on the belt. Remove the belt from the compressor pulley, and then work the belt off the lower crank pulley. To install the belt, first work it around the lower crank pulley. This can take a minute. Now work the belt around the compressor pulley and rotate the compressor back into place. Replace the 4 13mm bolts again, taking care to hold the square nuts in place as you tighten the bolts. Now, tighten the 13mm tensioning bolt on the lower right side of the compressor. And you're done.